guys, so what is growing on? Gonna give you a little bit of a nursery update. We got that Sandlot dog, Miss Ginger over here. They're both out playing, having some fun. Got some wet feet this morning. She is quite the trip. The older she gets, the more of a lover she gets. She's quite the sweet dog. Definitely keeping the armadillos out of here. Ginger, this is your girl, right? So they've definitely become great sisters. So I'll show you guys what's going on in here, what we have new. What I could tell you is, since I've got the new greenhouse, since I've gotten all the big jabos out of there, we've got a lot more room for seedlings and small plants inside the old greenhouse. And what the girls have started to do is starting to move some of those cold sensitive perennials back into the greenhouse that don't typically make it through the winter time. So some of our big edible leaf hibiscus that we lose every year in here. Just to give them a little bit more protection. Obviously this is filled with Japotacabas. You guys know we have the Japotacaba starter packs. Gonna be running some sales on those here really soon, actually coming into winter. And we've got tons of new varieties of Japotacabas coming up and available here like really soon. The girls just ran a bunch by me. We're gonna be adding them to the store in the next week. But like I said, we've got that starter pack available. We've got scarlets, we've got grimmels, we've got reds, we've got sabra. We've got the Campo Ramon, we've got whites. I mean, these are all whites now behind me. So Japotacabas for days. I've got like Red Lantern and a bunch of new varieties that you're really not seeing too much yet that are just kind of starting to become available. I'll be adding them to the online store in the next few weeks. This is Cambuca. I believe these are the Cambucas, or they're over there. I can't even tell. Let's see here. Oh, that is not the Cambuca. That is the Garcinia. I forgot I even got those in. There's a rogue Cranberry Hibiscus. That's not what was supposed to be in there. This is the giant red crystal. Like I said, we got some new varieties here. This is a black variety I got from Argentina. What else do we got? Whites for days. I think I got 2 different varieties of the whites. Guys, these are all Cherry of the Rio Grande. Super cold hardy cherry. These guys will grow all the way to North Florida, and I would say if you want to grow a cherry in Florida, this is the one. This one is super cold hardy, and this one is the most similar to like a Bing cherry. Really nice tasting cherry. Some of them get even a little bit bigger than the other varieties. These are all reds again. What else do we got over here? This is a special black variety. Got these all from Argentina. I don't even want to try to pronounce the last one. Whoa. I will probably botch that one up. What do we got here? Grimmels. So lots of grimmels coming up in those new 1 gallons. There's Red Lantern. There's another Eugenia. Taiwan Tiger. What else do we got growing on in here? So, lots of privet stopper. Okay. That is a new one. There's the ESQ. There's Ruby Honey. Guys, we got jabos for days. So more Red Lantern. Here's the Novak Petrantha. What else do we got growing on in here? Another Red Lantern. This is just a regular Sabra. Alright, so San Pedro variety. Lots of new ones that'll be on the store here in the next few weeks. So things are looking really good. Today is actually shipping day. So Monday, everything for our West Coast, all of our further orders are actually going out right now. Girls are in there packing up, and things have been blowing off the shelves. We can't keep those ant stations in stock. There has been a shortage on those too. There's been a shortage on plastic. There's been a shortage on materials. So just another one that we're struggling to get. And what do I see over here? Big pile of yellows. So look how pretty these are. Love the new growth on these ones. Really, really gorgeous. The yellow has almost a soft, fuzzy leaf, especially on those new leaves. There's something else. Some more Eugenias. And as you can see, seeds coming for days. So I am adding more nurseries around here. We did another shade nursery a couple weeks ago. I got 2 more spots in my sights right now for more shade nurseries, just for these Japotacabas. So they don't have to be in full sun. I have more shade here than I have full sun, so that's why we've chosen some more shade areas to kind of put these into. But stay tuned. There's lots of new stuff coming to the website. I'm gonna walk around over here a little bit, maybe slide through the shipping house. Yo, what's up, Sandlot? Hey. What are you doing? Oh, chasing chickens. So we just got some more of the standard 1 gallon firebush in. Lots of rosemary, lots of coral honeysuckle, showstopper, Simpson stopper, our typical grasses from the muley to the fakahatchee and to the big and ever vetiver grass. This stuff gets to be 8 or 9 feet. Perennial peanut, lots of lemongrass, sugarcane, and this is just about half of today's orders that are going out. Looks like we've got some olives on there, some Simpson stopper, African potato mint. Just so you guys know, that one does go dormant in the wintertime. Just leave it alone, wait until it comes back up. Some katuk in here. Looks like we got some dragon fruit, some smaller bananas, some passion fruit, some mulberries, some gingers, some butterfly peas, some mimosa, Mexican sunflower, cranberry hibiscus. Looks like we've got some Thai dwarf mulberries in here. What else we got going on? Some pigeon pea, some roselle. I believe we've got some stevias in here, some rue in here, more katuk, spiral and ginger. There's one of those standard firebush. This is that Puerto Rican taro. And we do still have some 1 gallon star fruits that we're shipping out. Let's see what variety we're working with. The Kerry. So this is that sweetest variety. And things are getting big. So Cali guavas have well overgrown that 4-inch pot. Those are all ready to get into some 1 gallons. Okinawa hibiscus looking really good this time of year. Cranberry hibiscus doing really well. Turk's cap. Lots of nopales, lots of elderberry, lots of Mexican sunflower, lots of Everglades tomatoes, and all different types of mulberries. And that's something exciting I think I was going to mention to you guys today. I just interviewed a guy last week, graduating from college, and he's going to school for horticulture. And he's super excited about grafting, trying to find a career in propagation. So definitely going to be hiring him part-time. We hope to start doing more and more of this stuff in-house. So more japoticabas, more starfruit, more loquats, more persimmons, more avocados in-house. Any of that kind of cold hardy stuff that we can do up this way. I'm not going to play with mangoes. I'm not going to play with probably lychees or longans because I don't have the trees to actually air layer here. But that is something that I want to push up this way and push more of. You guys, what do you know about noni? So I had some of these in the nursery. Definitely way too cold sensitive, super medicinal. Look at these fruits. I'm seeing them on the ground down here. Super potent, super medicinal. Be careful eating that one. So it is a little on the strong side. Malabar spinach going to seed. Pigeon peas. Looks like we got some ice cream beans still coming up. Lots of blue porterweed. Some figs left over. Lots of pigeon pea. Looks like lots of stevia in here. Last of the molokia. It's getting towards that end of year. Peanut butter fruit. We've got lots of different, probably got 6 varieties at least of the mulberries. So this time of year, you'll notice the perennial peanut gets a little bit yellow. Could probably use to get hit with some fertilizer. Here's our pentas. This is a perennial penta. It will last a lot longer than your typical annual penta. Mexican sunflower getting a little bit big. Lots of vitex or the chast tree. Purple flowers in a 4-inch pot, pretty cool. Lots of small firebush. And then it looks like we've got some more roselle, caliandra, blue porterweed, more of the vitex, all flowering in these little 4-inch pots. That is pretty cool. Looks like we got a bunch of Suriname cherries over there, elderberry, our different cassava varieties. Still got some 1 gallon avocados available for shipping. These papayas have well overgrown that 4-inch pot. Moringas have been flying off the shelf, super popular. This one's like having a health food store in your backyard. Everybody should be growing the moringa. Got some different peppers here. Some of the different celosias. Looks like they got a couple more of the 1 gallon starfruits. Probably got 10 or 15 of those left. And, oh, potato mint. Just got a bunch of new bananas in. Probably got 5 or 6 new varieties up on the store. They're just getting rooted out well enough to go. These are all katuk as it rolls into butterfly pea. Looking across over here, we've got mulberries and rue. Some more medicinals. Lots of the strawberry trees starting to get finally caught up on the strawberry trees. I believe we've got the yellow and the red. Of course, the yarrow. I forgot to mention that one. Lots of mint. Lots of sisu spinach. And here's the flowers on that butterfly pea. Where we got a good one? We got a fresh one somewhere down in here. Not really, but this one makes a pretty awesome tea. That's the video I'm working on for you guys. That's a better one. So this stuff makes basically like a nature's Kool-Aid. Rose of Sharon, a lot more bananas, lots of passion fruit. We just got some more in. Those are ready to be planted out. That's that long leaf variety of the sisu spinach. Tons of bananas, bananas for days. Lots of different varieties of chaya. Lots of different varieties of ginger and turmeric that we're starting to really, constantly keep stock. So galangal, spiral ginger, lesser galangal, cardamom, all of those are now ready to go. I read grafted and almost put that in the word. But yeah, I do have a bunch of grafted jabos. Those are going into the collector's house, not for sale. Lots of cassava coming up again. That's that Puerto Rican taro. We even have some shampoo ginger left in 1 gallon. That's been a super popular one. Lots of miracle fruit. Those can fruit at a very young age. And then the little lot, or the Thai pepper leaf. So, well, guys, I got to get to work. I had some time here. They're loading the trailer. We're doing a job in Sarasota. We found a dry site to work on this week. But we've got lots of pineapples also available. Whoa, what do we got here? Pink Perfection. Okay, so probably got 4 or 5 different varieties of pineapple. These are all Sabra. Hoping to use those as like a root stock. What else we got going on over here? Oh, this is the rest of the regular white butterfly ginger. And oh, miracle fruit for days. What's up, Gremlin? Hey, guardian of the nursery. What are you doing? You find anything to eat? She is always looking around. Chasing squirrels, chasing armadillos. Lots of different lettuce leaf hibiscus. This is the skinny one. This is the wider leaf, or known as the togan spinach. There's a bunch of different varieties of that. Whoa, and this one is actually going to be getting a mist bench. So we're going to be doing some more propagation. I want to try a couple of different things. And I've always wanted to do a mist bench. Since the other house has turned into almost a full propagation house, we'll have mist benches in here with dated areas. We're going to try some different stuff from cuttings that doesn't normally do, but I've heard you can do if you have a mist bench. So, all right, what do you know about the Okinawa spinach? So this one is definitely way prettier than the longevity spinach. And this time of year, guys, some things can get holes and spots in the leaves. I hear the big girl barking. Hopefully she's not got a snake cornered or something out over here. You never know with her. She's definitely very good at keeping things off the property. So, Okinawa spinach, longevity spinach, lots of different mints, turmerics. Yeah, we got it growing on. So, we don't. Oh, you guys want to see what she is barking at? This is gonna bug me. She's got something cornered over here. What are you doing, Biggs? What's wrong? What's in there? What's in there? Huh? What's in there? What is it? What is it? What's going on? What do we got down in here? Let me see. Watch out. What's wrong? Oh, I heard it. I think there's a mouse in there. What? You're not gonna have that, huh? You're not gonna have that, huh? Hey, good. You're a good girl. Okay, you scared it. You scared it. So, yeah, Kiki has a nose. She can smell anything, she hear anything. She's definitely keeping a lot of things out of here. I haven't seen any armadillos literally since we've gotten her. She digs up the moles. She's quite impressive to say the least. Whoa. Last of the olives. Some more of the larger 1 gallon mulberries. I think we're out of the Pakistani guys. Perennial peanut. We got the EcoTurf and the Chico always in stock. And I think that's about it for today's update video. Oh, you guys want to see a calyx on a roselle? So, got some bigger ones over here the girls have planted out for seed. And this is what you would actually make the tea out of, would be this outer part of the calyx. This is like the hibiscus tea, the zinger tea. A lot of places sell this in the store. You can just eat this raw, or you can make it into a tea. So you would dry these out, steep them, super high in vitamin C. Makes a delicious red tea. My wife typically sweetens it with a little bit of stevia, ice. Blow your mind good. Oh, so my shipping house has been completely taken over. If you guys ordered live plants, they're heading your way today. Also, if you're a little bit more local or Florida, they're probably heading out tomorrow. So Monday and Tuesday are shipping days around here. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, short video, nursery update. I will try to do more often. So if you did, be sure to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. Most importantly, you got to pound that bell to stay notified. Otherwise, YouTube plays games and they're not going to tell you when I upload new videos. Most importantly, get out there and pound some dirt.